Chapter 9. Study, Guides, and Review. Vocabulary and check. Combination, complementary event, compound event, dependent event, experimental probability, factorial, fire game, fundamental counting principle, independent event, outcome, permutation, probability, random, simple fact, simple event, theoretical probability, their diagram. Cause the correct there to complete the sentence. 1. The set of all possible outcomes for an experiment is called the sample space probability. 2. The fundamental counting principle counts the number of possible outcomes using the operation of addition, multiplication. 3. The ratio of the number of times an event occur to the number of trial completed is called the theoretical experimental probability. 4. When the outcome of one event influences the outcome of a second event, the events are called independent. 5. A permutation combination is a listing of objects in which order is important. 6. A complementary compound event consists of two or more simple events. 7. A simple random event occurs by chance. 8. The probability of an event is the product ratio of the number of ways an event can occur to the number of possible outcomes. 9. When using a combination, the order of the argument is not important. 10. The expression is the sum of product of all counting number beginning with and counting backward to 1. Lesson by lesson exercise and example. Simple event. A bag contains secret 3 pink and 3 white balls. Suppose you draw a ball at random. Find the probability of each event with each fraction in simple form. V red, V white, V pink or white, V pink, V red or white, V not white. The diagram. For each situation, make a tree diagram to show the simple space, then give the total number of outcome, rolling a number cube and then tossing a coin. Casing a red, blue or white sphere with either black or gray lettering. Tossing a coin and casing a card from 7 card numbered from 1 to 7. Casing from white with or rye bread and turkey ham or salami to make a sandwich. The fundamental counting principle. Use the fundamental counting principle to find the total number of outcomes in each situation. 31. Rolling to number cubes. 32. Selecting a card from 3 stylish, 3 interior color and 3 exterior color. 23. Making an ice cream Sunday selected from 5 flavors of ice cream and 4 different toppings. 24 shopping, 1 catalog over a jogging suit in 2 colors, gray and black. Permutation, find the value of each expression. 25 4 26 8 27 8 7 6 5 28 3 5 4 29 5 3 37 4 31 basketball. In how many ways can 5 basketball players be placed in their position? Combination 32. How many dark topping pizza are possible given 8 different toppings? 33. How many groups of 5 people are there from a committee of 9? 34. How many groups of dark kittens are possible from a litter of 9? 35. In how many ways can Randall select 2 board games from the den that his family has? Theoretical and experimental probability. The result of spinning a spinner labeled I 50 times are given. Find the experimental probability of each event. 36 VA, 37 VD, 38 VA, 39. If the spinner is equally likely to land on each section, what is the theoretical probability of landing on B? Independent and dependent event. For exercises 43, a bag contains 6 green, 8 white, and 2 blue contents. 2 contents are randomly drawn. Find a probability, H probability, if the first counter is reflected before the second counter is drawn. 40 V green blue, 41 V 2 white. Find H probability if the first counter is not reflected before the second counter is drawn. 42 V 2 green, 43 V blue white. Chapter 9. Practice test. Vocabulary and concept. 1. Explain the purpose of a tree diagram. 2. Define combination, skill and application. A spinner with a section label 1 egg has an equal chance of landing on each number. Find each probability. 3. V odd number. 4. V number greater than 1. 5. V 1 or 7. For each situation, make a tree diagram to show the simplest phase, then give the total number of outcome. 6. Touching a counter time. 7. Causing a letter from the word math and then a digit from the number. Use the fundamental counting principle to find the total number of outcome in each situation. 8. Causing a 3-digit security code. 9. Rolling for number 2 base. Find the value of each expression. 10, 8. Faradash in there are 50 floats in a farad. How many ways can a first place and a second place trophy be awarded? Survey 250 teenagers were asked what type of fit they owned. The result of the survey are in the table. What is the experimental probability that a teenager own a fat right as a person? Yogurt. A brand of yogurt has different flavor. In how many ways can you cook 3 flavor? Standardized test practice. Grade in a variety bag of popcorn contains 10 pieces of regular popcorn, 6 pieces of cast popcorn, and 4 pieces of caramel popcorn. Katie pull out 1 piece of popcorn and ate it. Then she pulled out a second piece and ate it. What is the probability that her first piece was caramel and her second piece was regular? Chapter 9. Standardized test practice. Record your answer on the answer sheet provided by your teacher or on a sheet of paper. 1. The ornithologist said there is a chance of the birds returning next year to its nest in the Glowinski family backyard. What is the value of the 5 in this number? 2. The line plot below show the weight in gram of a single serving of different brand of choking. Between which weight is there a cluster of data? 3. Fahrenheit measured the depth of Nurmawaddah River. It is 12 inches shallower than it was 4 years ago. Which formula back expresses the yearly change in the river? 4. Which of the following is the greatest common factor of 84 and 49? 5 was made in the cell oven. What was the total amount of all sales to the nearest dollar? 6. The diagram shows the number of ways customers can order lunch in a dinner if all courses are equally likely. What is the probability that a customer will order meat, rice, and salad? 7. Fernando has two ways correct calorie unions and potatoes for dinner, assuming that the wages each vegetable only once. In how many different orders can Fernando waste all of the vegetables? 8. What is the theoretical probability of causing a vowel from the word mathematics?